Come on! What's up, YouTube? One's Lunch Garage here. Alright, I'm going to start taking more stuff off of the Nova right now. Trunk lid, radiator support, and definitely get the passenger door off. Hopefully I can get the driver's door off too. Hopefully if I have enough room over there on that side. So, guess we'll start taking the trunk off. Oh. This trunk was actually pretty damn good shape. It's actually not. It's actually pretty good for a 1970 car. Next, I'm going to take out the radiator support, which is 2 bolts, and should be pretty easy because I think these are these mounts right here. I think these are brand new or fairly new, so they should come out pretty easily. Let's see. Look at that, comes right out. Oh. Look at that, like a glove. Oh. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's nice. Bushing went right in the oil pan. That's good. That's good for me. Well, at least we got this off. That might be too square. We gotta make our own tools. Feeling glad I got sunshine. Glad I got more Doors off. That was only a pain in the ass.
That wasn't too bad.
Oh. Just getting the.
It's not like the gas tank. You gotta fucking. The bed we gotta take off the gas.
Yeah. The only thing that sucks is just trying to fucking. It's the pins. Fucking haven't been out in fucking like 200 years. Alright, now I'm going to take off the driver's door. The passenger's door was a pain in the ass to take off. The pins just did not want to come out. But I just started on the driver's door and it's been like 10 seconds and I already had the top pin out. Which I was surprised. The other one, I had to freaking use a air chisel to break the pin to get the door out. That pin didn't want to come out, but that one did. So now I just got to take the spring and the pin out on the bottom, and the door will be off. The bottom pin, not really able to get a good enough angle to hit it, so I'm going to do it the easy way, and I'll just fucking air chisel it. Can you get a good enough? Oh. No. That should work. Alright, just got the last pin out. I didn't even have to break it. What I actually did was... Ooh, it's hot. I just made, like, halfway down the pin, I just made this fucking, I don't know what the hell ridge, whatever the fuck I'd be calling it, hole, whatever. And I just fucking, I angled the chisel down, and I just pounded the thing up. So, both pins are out, springs out. Let's take the door off. Okay. Look at that, door comes right off. Okay. Whew. Now I got both doors, radiator support, and also the trunk lid off the car. So, not bad, got everything off. Now I can clean more of the inside and stuff, and the trunk, because they're all kind of dirty, and I want to fucking paint them and stuff. Also, I think what I'm going to do next, maybe, as you can see, this car was originally like this yellowish, like, I don't even know, maybe like a yellowish, goldish, I don't know what you would call that color, but I definitely want to paint all the inside black, just because I really hate this color. I think it looks so ugly, so, but that'll do it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, check out our other videos, share this video, and wait for more.